Eish, Mr. Lionfoot, you know, say Africa would there watch Lionfoot, you know, the biggest and the hottest thing, you know. Lionfoot, hey, what am I talking about? Lionfoot TV, go check it out, man, subscribe, you know. Lionfoot to the world. People production.
Vlog and the go, me a vlog and the go. I have some information for you to know. Bless, love and greetings all of my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. I hope all is blessed. And as usual, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health, you know, health over wealth. And your health is your wealth. Just take care of it. Big up all of my kings, queens, brothers, sisters, lovers, haters, friends, families, fans, supporters. So give thanks to life, give thanks for this day, you know. Yes, man, I don't know my viewers and subscribers. There again present, you know what I mean? Anyone who watch the video you're from, the vlog you're from, I don't know, I send you all nothing but blessings, prosperity. So me I say, guidance and protection. Yes man, stay safe on the go. Saying, now my viewers and subscribers, we have a video for sure with Marion Hall. Otherwise, Lady Sir. Well, Marion Hall, no more Lady Sir, but Marion Hall, yeah. You know, Minister Hall, Miss Marion Hall. Listen, speak up and share, make sure, make Spy Shenseea, Jada Kingdom, the whole of them. Raggedy, hardcore dancehall one day, you know. Shall address them. And never say, Marion Hall, big up yourself for that speech there. Well, you what? So forward, you know.
Yes, this is your boy Twin Brothers from the Royal Maroon Earth, 48 Right Lane, Peckham. Big up Lionfoot TV. What you say?
Man.
Lionfoot TV.
We say we're there with the natural herbs, you know?
Yeah.
How you say?
But, so we have some herbs there, you know? Guinea hen weed. This is pepper elder, Guinea hen weed. You understand? Come and get your herbs. We have all the type of herbs. We have your sea moss, your Irish moss, your sorrel. Sorrel there for you. Cane juice.
Yeah man,
you
natural
understand?
cane juice, you know?
Good
for your digesting system and give you a lot of energy, you know?
King Kiliba from Gambia. Good for your circulation. You understand? You follow what I'm saying?
Brown leaf fern, you know? Good for anything, any mucus you have on your chest. Yeah man, I hate this, you know?
And this one, yeah, baobab. 6 times antitoxin, them glue 6 times potassium, 6 times vitamin C, offering 50 heart healthy, 5 calcium, more magnesium than coconut water, and 66% more iron than spinach. Yeah. You're a baobab. Come and get your baobab right here, right lane, Peckham. You understand? Bless up the baobab, you know?
Yeah, man.
I just saw with it. And big up Lionfoot TV. For life from Peckham.
Lionfoot.
Right, yes, sir.
Yeah, man,
stay strong.
Right foot, you know?
Welcome back, thanks for staying if you're still here, viewers and subscribers. This vlog was sponsored by Royal Maroon Herbs. See? Yeah man, big up the Maroon them. 48 Peckham Raleigh, check them out. They have all the herbal medical needs for your body, for your system. You see what I say? If your system now function right, let's go check them. Yes man, big up Twin Brothers. Now my viewers and subscribers, here Marion Hall have to say.
I want you to share this live today because I want Spice to see it. I want Ishawna to see it. Yes. I want Shenseea to say it. I want, what's the other name? Jada Kingdom. All of them. I want you all to see this because you're selling yourself short and you're going to hell if you don't turn around. I'm telling you that because I was you. And it's disgusting. And you need to stop. And I don't know if you have a heart like mine or you have a conscience. I know you have kids, some of you, and I don't even know what to say because we all make mistakes, and sometimes I believe even you, Shenseea, when I look at you, you're so beautiful. I love the relationship that you have with your son. I made some bad mistakes, and you know, there's another woman, Spice. You need to relax. I know you were living with me at one point, and the way you fight for things, you will go to health to get it. I know you. And I just want to reach out to you this morning. I don't care how you take it because I'm not trying to look friends. I'm just here to talk to you because of who I was. You know, I'm still not perfect. I still made wrong choices. I still choose wrong men, you know, and stuff like that, you know, because I did, yeah. And not that I choose them, you know, when I'm a Christian and doing anything that I shouldn't do. No, I didn't, yeah. But I just want to talk to you. Greed and you think the things of the world, when you're greedy for it, you will lose your salvation. And this morning I want to speak to you. I really want them to share this live. I don't care how you take it. I'm not afraid of you, Spice. I'm not afraid of you, Ishawna. I'm not afraid of you, none of you. Yeah? I'm not afraid. We can't stay here so I'm bothered up the whole on with Jesus thing. Yeah? But I just want you to take a good look at, just look at what you've been doing. Because I started it. Yeah? And I just can't rest unless I speak to you. Yeah? You're going overboard. It's like a race to hell. Yeah? It's like you're racing each other to get to hell. You know what I'm saying? And if one take off a top, the other one take off a panty. It's like you're constantly competing and the devil is rejoicing. And I have a sermon. It's titled, Submit Yourself or Go to Hell. And that is where I was heading. And I want to talk to you this morning. Share this live. And I choose this song. I'm choosing 2 songs this morning because I want to reach you. I want to reach you because the God I know, He speaks. And the God I know touch hearts. And if you're saying you know God and you call His name and you never hear His voice yet, I want you to really seek Him because, baby girl, Shenseea, when I look at you, I saw something, things popping up, because you all popping up like spams on these phones. And baby girl, when I saw you, you look helpless. It's like you're doing forced labor. You're too beautiful. Oh God of glory, come on now, sweetheart. Your mom passed recently, I don't mean to bring her up, but I don't think she would be happy. Please, turn. You're my sisters. Turn. 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 Turn in Jesus' name. Turn in Jesus' name. Makoshata. Remoshai. Yabokoshete. Yababoshata. I want you all to help me to pray for these women. We're going overboard now. I started it, so I need to end it. Yeah, there's no award that you could want so bad that you have to do what you're doing and you have children. My God. I believe God grabbed me just in time, so I'm praying that God will pull you. Open the eyes. Take that scale from off your eyes because I want you to look at yourself. Look at yourselves. I was once you, darling. I was once you. And you know what? Just so that you don't feel offended, I had this right here to finish off the sermon, but I'm going to read it first. I'm hurting for you. And I just want you to know this. I'm not perfect now. And God isn't looking for perfect people. He's looking for people like you. It's a disgrace. It is shameful. What you're doing, just competing with each other. It was happening already with me and you, Gracie. Everything I do, you would do something to top it. Are you all gonna do till you get to hell? Stop. Turn. I don't care if you love me or not. I don't care. Even if you're my enemy this morning, I love you. You see, every time I pick up my phone, it's either somebody sends something to me or something just pop up like spam. And I've been seeing my little sisters. And desperation has taken control of them. Oh, God of glory.
Okay, my viewers and subscribers. I don't know, big up on yourself. Thanks for staying for the still there, you know. Cause I don't know why you're trying to get the thing real and, you know what I mean? Yes, man. So Marion I make Spice and Shenseea, Jada Kingdom, Ishawna, and the rest of them too. Not just them, you have some young artists who are emulate them and trying to be like them, who are craving for a breakthrough in the music. Tear down them one another, belittle them one another, disrespect. And not only the female, you know, you have some male artists too as well that do the same thing. See? Now, I see Shenseea do a video where they talk about people with bad mind, ugly, and them say Spice share shade. No, that's discrimination. In this time and days, you have to be careful of what you're saying. See, because you can easily be judged for discriminating, sexism, and all of them things there. See? Me, for one now, Shenseea, the narrative where she push, I don't support that. Plain and straight. Yeah. See? And she gone, she not come back. Shenseea can't come. Well, she can come back, but what is gonna cost? What's gonna be the cost for her to come back and be real and natural? Because she's pushing for this fame. Wanna be top, branded, queen, Americanized. See? She talk it to herself, say, I know, star, I'm just go buy a bag of rice and 3 fish, 3 sea bass, bag of strain my finger. Don't have vlog on the go, you know. See? And some oxtail, you know? Yeah, I mean, I eat oxtail, so for wife, you see it? Yeah, man, but I don't know, keep the thing real, you know. Yeah, man, so Shenseea now hard to come back because she done. I believe she's with the devil them. I believe the Illuminati them have her. That's my belief. You see? I put my disclaimer in on my thing. But that's just my belief. I believe she's part of the elite now. So that gender the way she push and I try to force it down in the people's face. But all this lick and oral sex and all them things there. Keep your bedroom thing to your bedroom thing. I admit. Ah, shit, fucking hell, roots. So that doesn't sound good at all. Humbuckly. Good. Sweat, sir? Stamina, daddy. Yeah, man, so, yeah. Vibes Cartel is known for that, singing about oral sex and girl and yummy mouth and them thing there. So, for the girl, them I do it as well, you know, because remember, it's like double standard. For the people, we are bash it. But at the end of the day, people are going to bash it, people are going to support her, like how people support Cartel and bash him same way. But at the end of the day, sometimes we can't push things down in people's face and the kids them and, you know what I mean? You see me? So, Marion Hall, I agree with Marion Hall 100% what she say. See, she say right now, Spice will do anything to get to the top. Because Spice used to compete with her. You see me? But right now, Marion Hall is a minister and she speak her truth. And she get the message from Father God for call on them and tell them to fix up on yourself. Stop bitch out on yourself and belittle on yourself. You see me? Stop degrading on yourself and have kids. You see it? Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think in the comment section. But I agree with Marion Hall, everything we shall say. You see me, I'm not care if nobody can bash me or pray me or hate me, but I don't care. But come on, man, clean up the business, man. Look how talented you are. When you get the opportunity to reach to the forefront and I make millions. And I want to tell me so you can't promote some good song with help uplift the country and ride the people and drive the people in the positive direction. Because remember, I know we are big influencers, you know. Zine. So if you know, do some nicer song, better song, When the fans them not go follow and the young ones them go follow. Same like with the man them I sing the gun song them. And the grimy business about the scamming and the killing and them sitting there. The youth them approach it and I want to follow. Cost of living, education is off the rail, it's derailed. See me? Gone down. So the youth them now have no way no but to go pre to be a chopper or a gunman. You see me? Because of the fast life, are the quickest way to get money. Man lure them and bribe them and bring them in a groom them, turn them in a chopper, turn them in a shooter, shutter. See them like the girl, them turn them in a prostitute, go, all of them sitting there. You see me? So we agree with Marion all, everything we shall say, 100%. You see me? Shenseea, Spicy, Jada Kingdom, the whole of and the rest of the artists, the whole of man. You see me? When you just gone with this. I agree that things and time has changed and move on, but come on. Remember when you have kids and it's never too late. Fix up on yourself, man. Viewers and subscribers, a lion put in another vlog we do it when I boss now, brag. Yeah, man. Okay, nobody does say. You see me? Shenseea for go part of the same. She done under control from the devil boy. You see me, so? There's not so much we can say, is it? Big up on yourself, I'm out.
In support of all victims of abuse.
No more I'm keeping this dirty secret. I ain't scared no more. That's why I come to reveal it. I've been holding it for many, many years. Sleepless nights, endless tears. I wish I did stay.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click the bell before you go. So you always get that alert when I upload a new content. Your support is highly appreciated. May God bless you and your loved ones. Guide and protect you during your going out and coming in. Until next time, stay safe. See you soon.